चैनल बी ब्लॉग में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक BVT बैलेंस बॉन्ड थ्योरी। अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस थ्योरी द मेटल atom or ion under the influence of ligands can use in N-1D NS NP or NS NP and D orbitals for hybridization to yield a set of equivalent orbitals of definite geometry such as octahedral, tetrahedral, square plane and so on. These hybrid orbitals are allowed to overlap with ligand orbitals that can donate electron pair for bonding. Coordination number 4 sp3 tetrahedral. Coordination number 4 types of hybridization sp2 square planar, 5 sp3d trigonal bibrahman, 6 sp3d2 d2 octahedral, 6 d2 sp3 octahedral. It is usually possible to predict the geometry of complex and the knowledge of its magnetic behavior on the basis of PVT in the diagrammatic octahedral complex CONS3 whole 6. The cobalt ion is in oxidation state and has a electronic configuration 3d8. The hybridization scheme is as shown in figure 6. Pairs of electrons from each NS3 molecule occupy the 6d hybrid orbital. Thus, the complex has octahedral geometry and is diamagnetic because of the absence of unpaired electrons in the formation of complex in the inner d orbital. Hybridization the complex is called an inner orbital or low spin or spin paired in the paramagnetic tetrahedral complex uses COF6 minus usually outer orbital in hybridization sp3d2. It is thus called orbital outer orbital or high spin or spin free complex. In tetrahedral complex 1s and 3p orbitals are hybridized to form 4 equivalent orbitals oriented tetrahedrally. This is illustrated as nickel is in +2 oxidation and the ion has electronic 3d8. Each Cl ion donates a pair of electrons. The compound is paramagnetic since it contains 2 unpaired electrons. Similarly, NiCO4 has a tetrahedral geometry but is diamagnetic since nickel is in zero oxidation state and contain no unpaired electron. In the square planar, the hybridization is DsP3, DsP2. An example is NiCN4. Here, nickel is in +2 oxidation state and has the electronic configuration 3d8. The hybridization scheme is as shown in diagram. Each of the hybridized orbitals receives a pair of electrons from a cyanide and the complex is diamagnetic as evident from the absence of unpaired. It is important to note that the hybrid orbitals do not actually exist. In fact, hybridization is a mathematical manipulation of wave equation for the atomic orbital involved. The property of coordination compound. The magnetic moment of the coordination compound can be measured by the magnetic susceptibility experiments. The result can be used to obtain information about the structures adapted by complementary complexes. A critical study of magnetic data of coordination compound of metal of the first transition reveals some complications for metal ions with up to 3 electrons in the d orbital like Ti3V2 plus Cr3 plus 2 vacant orbitals are available for octahedral hybridization with 4s and 4p orbital. The magnetic behavior of these free ions and their coordination in tightity is similar when more than when 3d electrons are present. The required pair of 3d orbitals for octahedral hybridization is not directly available as a consequence of one rule. Thus, for D for 4 Cr2 plus Mn3 plus D3 Mn2 plus Fe2 plus D6 Fe2 plus CO2 plus causes a vacant orbital pair of d orbitals which only by pairing of 3d electrons which leads to 1 and 0 unpaired electrons respectively. The magnetic data agree with maximum spin pairing in many cases, especially with the coordination compound containing a ion. However, with species containing D4 and D8 ions there are complications. MnCN6 has a paramagnetic moment up to 1 paired electron. MnCN has paramagnetic 4 electron. FeCN6 has magnetic moment of single unpaired electron, while Fe6 has paramagnetic moment of 5 unpaired electrons. Each paramagnetic with 4 unpaired electrons, while C2O2 whole thrice is diamagnetic. The apparent and this apparent anomaly is explained by BVT in terms of formation of inner orbital and outer orbital entity coordination entity. Mn Cn6 3 plus Fe Cn6 3 plus CO C2O4 का whole thrice are in an orbital complex involving D2 sp3 hybridization. The former two complexes are paramagnetic and the latter are diamagnetic complex. On the other hand, Fe 6 plus Fe F6 3 minus and CO F6 3 minus are orbital complexes involving the sp3 to D2 hybridization and are paramagnetic corresponding to 4, 5 and 4 unpaired electrons. Are BBT while the BBT to a larger extent explains the formation, structure, and magnetic behavior of coordination compound. It suffers from following shortcomings. It involves a number of assumptions. It does not give qualitative interpretation of magnetic data. It does not explain the color exhibited by coordination compound. Fourth, it does not give a qualitative interpretation of the thermodynamic or kinetic stability of coordination compound. Fifth, it does not make exact prediction regarding the tetrahedral and square planar structure of four coordinate complexes. It does not distinguish between weak and strongly CFT. The CFT is an electrostatic model which considers the metal ligand bond to ionic arising purely from the electrostatic interactions between the metal atom and the ligand. Ligand are treated as a point charge in case of enhanced or dipoles in case of neutral atom. The 5D orbital in an isolated gaseous metal ion has same energy as the energy tendency maintained if a spherical symmetric field of negative charge surrounds the metal atom ion. However, when this negative field is due to ligands, either anions or the negative ends of the dipolar molecules like NH3 and H2O in a complex, it becomes asymmetrical and the degeneracy of d orbital is lifted. It read it splitting of d orbital. The pattern of splitting depends upon the nature of the crystal field. Let us explain this splitting in different crystal field. Crystal field splitting in octahedral coordination entity. In an octahedral coordination entity, when six ligands surrounding the metal atom ion, there will be repulsion between the electrons in the metal d orbital and electrons for negative charges of the ligand. Such a pair repulsion is more when the metal d orbital is directed towards the ligand than when it is away from the ligand. That is the dx square y square and the dz square orbital to which point towards the axis along the direction of ligand will experience more repulsion and will raise in energy, and the dxy dyz dzx orbitals which are directed between the axes will be lowered in energy related to the average energy on the spherical crystal field. Thus, the degeneracy of d orbital has been removed due to ligand electron pair metal electron repulsion in an octahedral complex. To aid three orbitals of lower energy set and two orbitals of high energy set T2G EG. The deep crystal field splitting delta zero depend upon the field produced by ligand and charge on the metal ion. Some ligands are able to produce strong fields, in which case the splitting member will be larger, whereas others produce weak field. Smart splitting of d orbital. In general, ligands can be arranged in a series in the order of increasing field strength as shown below: iodine, bromine, thiazide, cyanide, chlorine, sulfur. Such a series is called spectrochemical series. It is an experimentally determined series based on the absorption of light by complexes with different ligands. Let us assign electrons in the d orbitals of metal ion in octahedral coordination quantity. Obviously, the single d electron occupies one of the lowest energy T2G orbitals. In D2 and D3 are coordination attached. The d electrons occupy the T2G orbital singly in accordance with Hund rule for D4 two possible patterns of electron distribution. As first, the fourth electron could either enter the 2D orbital and pair with an existing orbital, or it could avoid paying the price of the pairing energy by occupying the energy level. Which of these possibilities occurs depend on the relative magnitude of the crystal field theory splitting and the pairing energy. P represents the required energy for electron pairing in single orb. The two options: if delta 0 is less than P, the fourth electron enter one of the EA orbitals, giving the configuration T2G EG firstly, and for which delta 0 is less than P are known as weak field and form high spin complex. If delta 0 is greater than P, it becomes more energetically favorable for the fourth electron to occupy T2G orbital with configuration ligands which produce this effect is known as a strong field ligand and form low spin complex. Crystal field splitting in tetrahedral coordination entirety. In tetrahedral coordination, the entirety, the d orbital splitting is united and is smaller to as compared to the octahedral field splitting for the same metal, the same ligand and the metal ligand distance. It can be shown by delta T equal to 4 by 9 delta 0 substituted that orbital splitting energies are not sufficiently large for forcing pairing and therefore low spin configurations are rarely observed. Color in coordination compound. In the previous we learned that one of the most distinctive properties of transition metal complexes is their wide range of colors. Means that some of the visible ray spectrum is being removed from while light as it passes through the sample, so the light that energy is no longer white. The color of complex is complementary to red, which is observed. The complementary color is the color generated from the wavelength left over. If green light is absorbed by the complex, it appears red. Then color in the coordination point can be readily explained in terms of CFT. Consider, for example, the complex TIS206 H is violet in color. This is on the an octahedral complex where the mingle electron in the metal d orbital is in the T2G level in ground state of the complex. The next higher state available for the energy is Eg level. If the light corresponding to the energy of a yellow in region is absorbed by the complex, it would be excite the electron from T2G to Eg. Consequently, the complex appears violet in color and the crystal field attribute the color of the coordination compound in a DDT electron transition. This is the color. Limitation of crystal field. The crystal field is successful in explaining the formation of structures, color, and magnetic property of the coordination compound to a large extent. However, from the assumption of that ligand are point charge, it follows the anionic ligand should exert the greatest splitting effect. The anionic light ligands actually are found at the low in the end of the spectrochemical series. Further, it does not take into account the covalent character of bonding between the ligand and the central metal atom. Here are some of the weaknesses of CFT which are explained by ligand field theory and molecular orbits which are beyond the scope of the personal study. बॉन्डिंग इन मेटल कार्बोन. धन्यवाद दोस्तों, आज यहीं पर ख़त्म करते हैं वीडियो को. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, शेयर, कमेंट करना मत भूलिएगा और शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा. धन्यवाद दोस्तों.